Dart impact tester supplied with a vacuum pump. So you can see that dart impact tester is normally manufactured as per ASTM D 1709 standard to check the polyfilm samples. So see, this is the rim inside which we fix the specimen. This is the plastic specimen, and once you receive the equipment, you connect this vacuum pump. Vacuum pump is supplied. You connect it at the back side of the equipment, and mesh is given to ensure that when the dart falls, it remains safe and it doesn't fall off. If the scratches come on the dart, then it's a problem. You need to replace the dart. So a weight box is supplied along with the dart impact. All the weights from 5 gram onward we supply. As per the ASTM D 1709, there are two types of darts. One is 38 mm hemispherical diameter aluminum dart of 50 grams, and one is 300 mm weight of the dart stainless steel with 50.8 mm hemispherical diameter. So these are the two darts, and it will have an electromagnetic release mechanism. This is the electromagnetic release. So when you fix the dart inside and you press the switch, it will automatically release. Also there will be a counter for you to read number of counts and number of samples you have checked. So we are now going to see how the testing is being done, and there are two specific heights defined by ASTM D 1709. So we provide you the marking. Method A, that is 660 mm, and method B, that goes almost 1.5 to 4 mm, that is 1.5 meter. The IS standard recommend for 220 mm, so we have given a third marking level also. So you can just adjust the arm up and down, as you can see here, and very easily fix it up to the required height. So now fix it up there. Okay, put the dart inside, and see, we fix the dart inside, and for releasing it we will use the mesh. So put the mesh on the top and release the dart. Release it. Okay, so once the dart is released, it will go and fall inside. Now this mesh is given to ensure that the dart doesn't go off and fall on the steel. You should take care that the dart do not develop any scratch. So now we will do a complete trial showing you how to fix the specimen and how to take the trial. So now we can see the working. You switch on the power. The mains of the dart is switched on, and we have started the vacuum pump. Vacuum switch is also there. So once the vacuum is created, so you can increase the vacuum first. There is a vacuum increasing valve given here, as you can see. Now we'll put the film and we'll vacuumize the film. The idea is that the film should be completely stretched, and that vacuum indication is seen here. See, standard says minus 560, but the equipment is designed such that you will be able to see full vacuum. Now I will show you. Okay, so we give a support rim, and then the stainless steel rim will come on the top of it, and we put the two lock nuts. Okay, so we have locked it. We ensure that we get full vacuum on the system, that is minus 730 plus actually it should come as per our internal specification. And then we put the dart. We are fixing the dart over there, and after fixing the dart, we also ensure that we put the mesh. Okay, we removed the dart because we want to put the mesh again. So this mesh needs to be locked over here. See, we put the mesh. Why we have put this mesh? Because the ID of this mesh is less than the ID of the rim, so that when the dart will fall, and suppose if it jumps, it will not go outside and hit the body, as the surface, the hemispherical diameter of the dart is very important. So scratches should not come on this. So anyway, this dart is fixed inside the electromagnetic release, and we release the switch. The dart will fall down. We remove the mesh to see if there is any failure. Even if there is a pinhole, it is considered as a failure, but now there is no pinhole. So we increase the weight in the dart to ensure that the film fails. But after every trial we have to remove and replace the film and put another one. So see, this is how the procedure is. As soon as I remove the film, automatically the vacuum has gone to 0, and we will show you how to put the weights, additional incremental weights. So you can see there is a locking nut, a brass locking nut given to lock the weights, because when we put the incremental weights, see there are ring incremental weights that we manufacture, and they are very, very accurate. Stamping is there on each and every weight, 15 gram and maybe again 50 gram he has put, or this is 120 grams. So all stamping will be there. Now you put the locking nut and you lock it tight. Why? Because at the time of release, if the weights are not locked, there is a probability they may go in air and the impact on the film might reduce. So this is a very simple operation, and the equipment will be supplied. Once again, let me tell you, equipment will be supplied with the vacuum pump, the mesh, the weights, 2 number of darts, and then there is a power on. Counter will be given specially. Now we have taken suppose 3 or 4 trials, so counter will keep showing the number of trials, and you can reset it again and complete the complete trial. Thank you so much.